Any timeouts?
No, it's still manageable. 3 seconds. Matagal pa yan. Ayun.
66 to 63. So Bulacan needs a three-pointer. It's Sahol. A second remaining. Balboa for three. Go!
That's
Balboa
sabi natin ngayon.
sends it to overtime. We have to take another look. But sa angle natin, Coach Joseph, parang saktong-sakto yung bitaw.
For me, it's a Ako, pagbabasihan ko dun on my angle. Before that buzzer, yun, titingnan natin ngayon kung may time pa or stepping on the line. Pero, para sa akin, he was outside the line right there because step back pa siya eh. Two referees was putting their hands up.
Your officials waiting for that confirmation, and indeed, that three-pointer from Balboa will count and we will have 5 more minutes. Coach Joseph, sabi mo kasi kanina wala pang overtime dito sa
And the
season
first
number 2.
overtime goes to Jaime and Coach Joseph in this